How does a person move from a state of total confusion to a state of clear understanding? The modern landscape of algorithms and black box technology feels intimidating. We often face complex systems that seem designed to keep us outside. Understanding begins with simple observation. We function like a farmer who notices dark clouds gathering before a storm and prepares for the rain. When we see the same event happen repeatedly, curiosity compels us to ask how our environment actually works. Those questions reveal patterns, the repeated relationships that survive even when the surface details of a situation change. Recognizing these regularities is a biological survival mechanism. It allows us to navigate the natural world without being paralyzed by its complexity. To move from merely noticing patterns to accurately predicting results, we require a structured language. We require mathematics. Mathematics is often treated as a barrier, but every number is simply a human measurement of reality. This diagram shows how measurements are grouped into vectors to show direction, then organized into matrices to transform data. These concepts stack. The right page shows the latter, where numbers lead to vectors, which lead to probability and optimization to make models learn. Mathematics was invented to make the invisible structures of the world visible. It is a step-by-step tool for precision. This mathematical pattern recognition is exactly what machines are doing when we say they are learning. Learning is a universal feedback loop. You make a guess, measure the size of the mistake, and adjust your next action based on that error. Intelligence is a system's capacity to use that loop to improve how it handles unfamiliar situations. In machines, this loop adjusts the importance, or weight, of incoming signals. As the error signal moves backward, the system changes its internal settings to perform better. Artificial intelligence operates as the automation of error correction, applied across massive amounts of data. Scaling this learning loop creates systems capable of executing decisions across millions of examples simultaneously. Modern artificial intelligence acts as an abstraction engine, compressing messy reality into numerical coordinates in space. To make a prediction, the machine. These systems generate predictions by optimizing mathematical distance, but they remain entirely unaware of the human lives those data points represent. If a machine can process patterns and make decisions at this scale, the question remains, what role is left for humans? Machines optimize mathematical objectives, but they cannot experience the consequences of those objectives in the real world. Ethics provides the mandatory human override. It is required because data compression always strips away context, dignity, and nuance. The human builder must ask, who is being helped, who is being harmed, and what was lost in translation? Accountability remains with the human designer. A machine generates a statistical prediction. The person makes the decision. The ultimate goal of adopting complex technology is human flourishing, the expansion of dignity and meaning. Technical knowledge is only useful if it serves human well-being. Knowledge grows rapidly when we collect ideas, but wisdom begins when those ideas are anchored by human responsibility. This complete series of books provides the framework for navigating this journey of understanding. Mastering the future does not require thinking like a machine. It requires becoming a more thoughtful and responsible human.